Kayo ho ba ay kusang loob nyo nang ipinagkakatiwala ang kamay ni Siza May kay Jason?
Hindi. Ay,
I just gotta look to the sky and I see you. When it gets dark and I need it, I look to the sky and I see you. No, I just can't help but believe it. No, I ain't done yet. Got a whole lot left in me. Left in me. Yeah. Gotta go all in. You wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall. Gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. I just gotta look to the sky and I see it. No, I just can't help but believe it. No, I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet.
sinulat ko to, sinimulan ko dun sa paano kami nagkakilala ulit.
Naalala ko pa yung batang nakakapareho ko sa pagsasayaw, yung batang nakakasama kong makipagpaligsahan sa academic at sa sport na table tennis. Ay siya palang magiging kasama at mamahalin ko habang buhay.
Nagsimula sa simpleng hi at hello. Kamustahan sa isa't sa late night calls and chat na hindi ko din akalain na hahantong sa pagsasama natin habang buhay.
What do I seem to do? I let it all go.
First, nagpapasalamat ako kay Jehovah. I thank Jehovah God for bringing you into my life. Honestly, I don't know what's next except to say how deeply grateful I am and more meaningful because you came into my life.
I'm afraid to fall and I'm scared to fly. There's a ringing in my head tonight. It's a feeling and it's crashing through, falling into feeling something.
Thank you for loving me, and I promise to you that I'll be a good husband and to love you unconditionally. For nice Tay, Kuya Ate, thank you for allowing me
There's a ringing in my head tonight.
to be part of your family.
It's a feeling and it's crashing through.
From this moment,
You do, you feel
surrender myself to faithful and loyal, caring, and loving husband to you and to our future children. I love you, babe.
Marriage is not just a contract kasi ang contract pwedeng may expiration. Marriage is a covenant. It is a lifetime commitment.
Actually, hindi madali kasi long distance relationship kami. Parang after every 7 to 8 months bago kami magkita ulit. Actually, matagal ko na din hinintay to. Gusto ko na din, ready na. So finally, eto na.
was running through the
Lagi mong sinasabi na sa tuwing umaalis at umuwi ka, hintayin mo ako at thank you for waiting. Pero parang ako dapat ang magsabi sa'yo ng thank you for patiently waiting. Salamat kasi sa mahigit na 6 na taon, hindi tayo sumuko.
fall from the sky.
We have learned that love is not measured by distance, but by commitment. After all the waiting and the longing, today, I promise to choose you without hesitation. And I vow that no matter where life places us, you will always be my home. I love you so much, babe.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun You're the one pulling my heart away. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
It is my honor and joy and pride to introduce to you this newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Jason Cesame Garcia.